Greetings, this is Mr. Solomon here with another edition of Minecraft EDU. Today we are looking at our STEM Minecraft Club. So we're focused on science, technology, engineering, and math, and we're starting our first few sessions constructing a roller coaster. So what kids did was go to a resource of Howcast, how to make a Minecraft roller coaster. We watched this movie. We watched how he used detector rails and how he created the drop. So I won't go through the whole movie, but I'll show you some parts of it that you can see how this looks. So this is the basic construction, and he shows you how to do it. So he shows students how to create it, and then we went into Minecraft and tried to make it ourselves. So we're going to check on how students are doing. So this is a great example. So the idea was to make a self-generated ramp up to the top, and then down a big slope, which is inertia and motion, as we talked about. And then the minecart goes with powered rails. And now the students are working on a switching station. So when the cart finishes the track, they'll move off to the side so a new cart can then take its place. So we're going to look at a couple more examples of how kids are doing. I always like filming while they're under construction so you can see what they're doing. So these guys are working together. Looks like someone's testing their cart. And then he's going to get stuck because there's not a cart there. But at least you can see what they're doing as far as testing goes. There's another example. So they have redstone torches to run the powered rail so it'll go up on its own. The idea was to make the cart go up without someone in it and with someone in it. So the cart will run by itself. And so you can see the different states of completion that each group is in. Some slopes are bigger than others. They're learning how to create the perfect drop to give enough momentum. More students working on their track. So it's fun to see them all trying to create the same thing, and there's some differences in how they're doing it. So I'll check back again at the end of class and we'll get them to do some trial runs and see how it's going. Okay, we're about to watch our first group that's just about done. So I'm going to follow them all the way up. They've got their switching station done too. So they have a really big drop. They did a nice job on this. So let's pick up with them. Down around the track, up the hill, and then they have their switching station done. So the switching station works, and then they can put another cart on. It's a nice job, a good example of how somebody finished the whole thing. Are you guys ready? Group 1, you guys ready? Put a cart on the track. That's okay. Put a cart on the track and we'll take a look. Okay, we're going to watch another. I put them in creative mode at the end so they can have a way to use some more creative tools. Now they have tunnels built. Trying to move this guy. Here we go. I'm riding in the cart now. So this is a first-person perspective. And now there's a cart in front of me. So we still got some experimenting to do. But this is a really good example of a STEM project where they're learning about inertia and forces and circuits and electricity, using powered rails, using the right slope, figuring out how to make sure the carts run under electric power, which is what those powered rails are for. So this was a really good 3-week first introduction to our STEM Minecraft Club. And we'll check in with a couple more when they're just about finished. So we have 2 groups that have a successful roller coaster with a switching station, and we have a couple other groups that are almost done. This is a good example. These guys just have to connect their tracks. So everybody's getting the hang of it, which is nice to see, that they could replicate something that they saw on a video and then try to do it themselves as they learn about STEM and Minecraft here at Village East. Thanks for watching. Okay, we have another group that's ready to show me their tracks. Okay, go ahead. Fire it up. There goes Finette. Down he goes. Around the bend. Down the loop. Up the loop. Nicely done. Alright, that's a good little track you got there, Finette. That looks good. Almost everybody's done. So it's been a fun project. We'll check back on more in the coming weeks. I think the next thing we're going to try is computer craft and teach kids how to program their robotic turtles. This one was all about circuits, inertia, and electricity. Thanks for watching.